Good day everyone. Finally it's time to share the amazing, super exciting news with you. Julle, ons is so ongelooflik opgewonde oor hierdie ongelooflike ontwikkeling wat gebeur. For many years, Plantland The Wilds has been so much more than just a normal garden center. It's been a place where most of your gardens began, a place where families got together to spend some amazing quality time and where super exciting memories was made. And now it's time for The Wilds to get to its transformation to become part of a brand new, exciting shopping center. Ons is ongelooflik opgewonde want Plantland The Wilds raak groter, beter en net soveel lekkerder. Ons kan nie wag om met jou alles te deel nie. And none of this would have been possible without your support. To each and every customer who supported us over the years, we just want to say thank you. For every plant you've taken home, for every referral, and for every visit. It's because of you that we are able to make this dream come true. Aan elkeen van ons kliënte, ongelooflik baie dankie dat julle ons gehelp het om hierdie ongelooflike ontwikkeling te doen, want sonder julle sou ons dit nie kon doen nie. Before I give you too much information, I just want to assure you that during the whole transformation period, Plantland The Wilds will be still in full operation. Ja, ons is hier om julle te help met alles wat ons kan en dit so gemaklik en so gerieflik as moontlik te maak. Our staff, amazing staff, will be here to attend to all your needs and everything you need with top quality plants to make this the most beautiful season in your garden. Once everything is done, Plantland The Wilds will be transformed into the leading destination garden center of Pretoria, with everything bigger and better than what you've ever expected. There might be a little bit of dust and a few temporary changes along the way for this couple of months, but we are really creating something truly special and something we believe the community deserve. So thank you so much for each and every one of you, for all your patience, your encouragement, and everything that we'll be going through together during this time. We are so excited to share the new The Wilds with you, and we can't wait to share every moment with you. Please come and visit us. Kom kuier vir ons sodat ons vir julle kan wys waarmee ons besig. Ons kan nie wag vir die nuwe Plantland The Wilds. See you soon.